Hey, it's Tom Zeeb with Traction. Just finished the 5-mile turkey trot in downtown Buffalo. Quickly want to tell you about the DealMachine promotion running through Cyber Monday. Go to DealMachine.com/traction. Super special offer. They're doing a ridiculous 40% discount off their annual package. That's a phenomenal deal. They don't offer that. I don't think they've ever offered that. Really happy to have it. Matt made the offer to Traction on Thursday, and it stands through Cyber Monday. Also, what you'll find is the Traction bonus package. So it's a Tom Zeeb Traction bonus package. If you use that link, DealMachine.com/traction, and only if you use that link, and then email me your receipt from them, I'm going to send you the Traction Quick Start pack. This is to get you moving. It's audio, it's all the trainings, it's all in my Quick Start package. That's also going to include one group coaching call with me, with Tom Zeeb. So go to DealMachine.com/traction, and that's how you can get your pass. Now I'm going to finish cooling down.